A boy who failed the alphabets. So there was a boy about 5 or 6 years old. He had always struggled with alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Everyone around him seemed to get it so easily, but no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't remember the exact order. Not because he wasn't trying, he just couldn't understand why it mattered. So one day he wrote the word dog, D-O-G. It didn't match the order he was learning. So he asked his teacher, Teacher, after D, E comes, right? Then how come O after D in dog? But instead of understanding his question, instead of seeing the confusion of a child who is genuinely trying to make sense of the world, she just scolded him in front of the whole class. Because apparently curiosity is dangerous and asking logical questions means you're stupid. Because if it's not in the textbook, how dare you to think of yourself right? He didn't understand why his question made him so wrong. So he went home, he asked his parents. Obviously, they didn't answer. They just told him to focus harder, try again tomorrow, memorize it better. With each dismissive look, he felt even more lost, even more disconnected from a world that expects him to just get it, but no one ever stops and asks why doesn't he get it. So eventually he started believing one thing everyone was telling him, that he was lazy, he was dumb, he was broken, that he would never fit the mold. Because knowing alphabets in a perfect order doesn't mean you will know how to form a meaningful sentence in life. So we don't need more kids who can just recite A to Z like robots. We need more kids who dare to ask why does dog starts with D if E comes after it. Because that, my friend, is a real question, and those are the ones who will change the world one day. So it's time to stop believing that the only way to be right is to follow someone else's order. Not everything that's out of order is wrong. And just in case if you still think you are the problem, Albert Einstein didn't speak fluently until he was around 9. Teachers thought he was slow and antisocial. He redefined physics. Thomas Edison was called aduled by a teacher. His mother pulled him out of the school and he became one of the greatest inventors ever. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination. His name now is Imagination. Agatha Christie, she struggled with dysgraphia. She became the best-selling novelist of all the time. So all of them were once dismissed by system and every single one proved it wrong.